welcome to the News on Map World Series section of Drishti IAS. I am Aisha, and in today's episode we will be covering topics which are important from General Studies paper 1, that is Geography Map section. And I was just going through the comment section, so I just noticed that most of you people have given the correct answer of the practice question that I asked last time. So let's first solve the practice question. So it was, which of the following countries shares border with Myanmar? So Myanmar's bordering countries. Options are China, Laos, Thailand, India and Bangladesh, and we need to choose the correct option. So let's see. Myanmar is an Asian country and specifically it lies in the Southeast Asia. It also shares border with India. India's border is with the northeastern states of India. So this is Asia's map and this is India, and this is Myanmar sharing border with the northeastern states of India. And if we zoom out on the map, this is how Myanmar looks like, and the bordering countries of Myanmar is, you can say that India shares its border with Myanmar, that is north-west border with India, then north border with China, then it shares its border with Thailand, this is Thailand, then it also shares its border with Laos, this is the location of Laos, and then a small border it shares with Bangladesh also. So this is Bangladesh, then India, then China, then Laos, then Thailand, and it also shares its border with Bay of Bengal. So coming back to the question, so which of the following countries shares border with Myanmar? China, yes. Laos, yes. Thailand, yes. India, yes. Bangladesh, yes. It means all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which one is the correct option? This becomes D is the correct option as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now let's begin with today's session. So the reference for the first question says, after Sweden joined NATO, the flag of Sweden was finally flown at NATO headquarters along with other countries. So Sweden has joined NATO, and the question talks about, consider the following statements, which of the above statements is or are not correct. It is asking about the not correct, it means the incorrect statement. So first is, Sweden's only land border is with Norway. Second, the sound, that is Øresund, lies between Sweden and Denmark, one of the busiest sea lanes in the world. So first of all, let's talk about NATO, that is the North Atlantic Treaty Organization. So officially Sweden has become its member, and the candidacy and the inclusion of Sweden was long awaited, and this is the 32nd member of NATO, and before Sweden, Finland joined the NATO group. So let's see, Sweden's only land border is with Norway. So if we will talk about Sweden, then it is a Scandinavian country, and with Sweden there are two more Scandinavian countries, and that is Norway and Finland. So first statement becomes wrong because Sweden does not share border only with one country, it shares its border with two countries, that is, this is the location of Sweden, and Sweden's west border is shared with Norway, while its north-east border is shared with Finland also. The capital of Sweden is Stockholm, and it shares its southern boundary with the Baltic Sea, and Denmark is very close to Sweden. So first statement becomes wrong. Now let's see the second statement. So look at this map. On one side we have Sweden, while on the other side we have Denmark. So this is the southern area of Sweden, and this is the Baltic Sea. So we talked about Øresund or sound. So Øresund or the Øresund bridge. So Øresund is a sea lane which lies between Denmark and Sweden, and it is one of the busiest sea lane. So this is correct, and Sweden and Denmark are connected to each other through the Øresund bridge. So second statement is correct while the first statement is wrong, and we have to talk about the not correct statement. So second one was right, first one was wrong. So not correct statement, it means first. So the correct answer is option A, that is only 1. Now moving on to the next question. The reference talks about, Jamaica talks were organized to reduce the violent crisis in Haiti, after which the Prime Minister of Haiti resigned. Now the question that is being asked is, consider the following statements with reference to the Caribbean islands and choose the incorrect statement. So this is with regard to the Caribbean islands, and Caribbean islands has many islands, and we have to choose the incorrect statements. So first of all, let's read the statements. First, the Caribbean islands are located mainly between North America and South America. So let's see. So if we will talk about the Caribbean island, then this is the map of Caribbean islands. Caribbean island are composed of, majorly there are two groups, and apart from this there are many other small groups also, but majorly there are two groups, and that is Greater Antilles and the Lesser Antilles. So this is the map of Greater Antilles and this is the map of Lesser Antilles. So Lesser Antilles are a group of small islands. Then there are others also, like the Leeward Antilles, the ABC Islands, and the Leeward Islands, Windward Islands, and then there are Greater Antilles, which are a group of bigger islands. And the Caribbean islands lie in the Caribbean Sea, and which shares its border with the Atlantic Ocean also. So you can say it is an extended arm of the Atlantic Ocean, and it does lie between the North America and the South America. So the Caribbean islands are located mainly between North America and South America. So this becomes correct. Now the second option, which is, it is divided into the Lucayan Archipelago, the Greater Antilles, the Lesser Antilles, and the ABC Islands. So let's see. See, the Caribbean islands are divided between Greater Antilles, that is true. Lesser Antilles, that is also true. Then ABC Islands, that is also true. And then there are Leeward Antilles, Windward Islands, and there are Leeward Islands also. So in total, the Caribbean islands are composed of many smaller group of islands. So it is divided into the Greater Antilles, Lesser Antilles, and the ABC Islands, that is also true. Now coming on to the third statement, that is Jamaica, Haiti, and Cuba are the major regions of the Greater Antilles. So these are the regions of Greater Antilles. So that is, this is Cuba. Cuba's capital is Havana. Then this is Jamaica. Jamaica capital is Kingston. And then this is Haiti. Haiti's capital is Port-au-Prince. So these are majorly the islands of the Greater Antilles. So this also becomes correct. Then comes fourth, that is D. The Greater Antilles form the boundary between the Caribbean Sea and the North Pacific. So this is the Greater Antilles, and Greater Antilles is forming a boundary between the Caribbean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean. It is not associated with the Pacific Ocean. It is forming a boundary between the Caribbean Sea on the south and Atlantic Ocean on the north. So we have to talk about the incorrect statement. So the correct answer for this question becomes option D. Now moving on to the next question. So the reference talks about, as soon as Indian troops withdrew from Maldives, India's neighboring island country has signed a defense agreement with China. So this has recently happened, that all the troops, Indian troops, have been removed from Maldives, and Maldives has signed a defense agreement with China. So consider the following pairs. So on one side is the island, on the other side is the location, and we have to talk about the correctly matched pair. So the islands are Bounty Island, which is South Pacific Ocean, Bermuda Island, which is North Atlantic Ocean, and Aleutian Islands, which is the North Pacific Ocean. So let's see. If we will look at the world map, this is the map which we get, and then if we will zoom out, so let us first see the Bounty Islands. So Bounty Islands lie to the, see, this is New Zealand, and Bounty Island lies to the southeast of the New Zealand. So this is the location of the Bounty Island. So it lies in the Pacific Ocean. So the South Pacific Ocean becomes correct, because if we will talk about New Zealand lies to the southern hemisphere, so the Bounty Island is to the southeast of the New Zealand, so they are lying in the South Pacific Ocean. Then comes the Bermuda Island, North Atlantic Ocean. Let's see. If we will talk about the Bermuda Islands, so Bermuda Islands, this is the location of the Bermuda Island, and it belongs to UK, and it lies in the North Atlantic Ocean. And this is United States of America. It lies to the eastern side of it, and this is the Caribbean Islands or the Caribbean Sea. It lies to the north of it. So Bermuda, North Atlantic Ocean. North Atlantic Ocean, this is correct. Then comes the Aleutian Islands, which is the North Pacific Ocean. So let's see. If we'll talk about the Aleutian Islands, then Aleutian Islands lies between the US and the Russia. So see this, on one side we have Russia, while on the other side we have the Alaska region of the United States of America. And if we talk about the Aleutian Island, then this is the location of the Aleutian Islands, and it lies in which ocean? It lies in the Pacific Ocean. So on one side it is Alaska, on the other side it is Siberia, or you can say the Kamchatka Peninsula of Russia, and below the Bering Sea lies the Aleutian Islands. And if we will look at the location in the world map, so this will be the location in the world map, and then this side it will be this location. So this is the North Pacific Ocean. North Pacific Ocean. So which of the pairs above is or are correctly matched? So all the three pairs are correctly matched. So the answer becomes option D, which is all of the above. Now moving on to the next question. The reference talks about recently Georgia has prepared to resume capital punishment after a pause of 4 years due to COVID. Now this brings Georgia to the news. The question is, Georgia is not bordered by which of the following? It is not bordered by which of the following? So the answer, or so the options are Black Sea, Russia, Turkey, Azerbaijan and Armenia. It is asking not bordering. So if we look at the map, so this is the map, and if we will talk about the country Georgia, then this is the location of the country Georgia. So Georgia, you can say, lies in the Caucasus Mountain region, and Georgia shares its one of the borders with the Black Sea. So look at this map, and if we will talk about Georgia, then this is the map of Georgia. So Georgia shares its north border with Russia, to its eastern border with Azerbaijan, southern border with Armenia, then also the northwest border with Turkey, and the northern border also with the Black Sea. So this is the map of Georgia. So let's get back to the question. And Georgia is not bordered by which of the following? So all these 5 countries, or all these 5 entities, they share border with Georgia. See, Black Sea, Russia, Turkey, Azerbaijan and Armenia. So they share border with Georgia. And the question is asking that Georgia does not share border with. So the correct answer would be option D, which is none of these. The next question, the reference talks about recently a lot of life was affected due to sudden floods and landslides on the Sumatra Islands of Indonesia. Now this brings Indonesia to the news. The question is, consider the following water masses, and there are 5 water masses given, which is Java Sea, Gulf of Tomini, Molucca Sea, Celebes Sea and the Strait of Malacca. Which of the above water bodies is related to Indonesia? So out of all, which all are related to Indonesia? So let's see the map. If we will talk about the map, so look at this map, as Indonesia is also an Asian country. It lies in the Asian continent. So and it is a Southeast Asian country, and it is an island country also. It is a big country which is composed of many islands together, and the earlier capital was Jakarta, but now the capital of Indonesia has been shifted to the Borneo island, and it is called as Nusantara. So this is the location of the Indonesia. See, this is the location of Indonesia. So if we will talk about the water masses with which it shares its border, then see, Java Sea is lying between the Borneo island and the Indonesia, so it is sharing border with Indonesia. Then comes the Gulf of Tomini. So Gulf of Tomini is lying to the north of Sulawesi. Then comes the Molucca Sea. So Molucca Sea is completely associated with Indonesia, as we can see. Then Celebes Sea, because see, this is Borneo island, and Borneo island is occupied, or you can say that Borneo island has Malaysia, Indonesia all on it. So Celebes Sea also shares border with the Borneo island and the Indonesia side of it. Then comes the Strait of Malacca, and Strait of Malacca is also one of the busiest sea trade route. And Strait of Malacca, this is the Sumatra island of Indonesia, and this is Malaysia. So Strait of Malacca is lying between Singapore, Malaysia and Indonesia. So let's see the question again. So Which of the above water bodies is related to Indonesia? So Java Sea, yes. Malacca Sea, yes. Strait of Malacca, yes. Celebes Sea, yes. Gulf of Tomini, yes. It means all are associated with Indonesia. So the correct answer is option D, which is all of the above. Now next question. The reference talks about, according to a recent European Union report, Europe will have to prepare for catastrophic climate change risk in the near future. So the question comes that the only country in the European continent whose one coast is bordered by the Adriatic Sea and the other by the Tyrrhenian Sea. So only country in the European Union. So there are many countries in the European Union, and out of which is the only country whose one coast is bordered by the Adriatic Sea while the other coast is bordered by the Tyrrhenian Sea. So the options are Italy, France, Albania and Croatia. So if we will look at the map of Europe, this is the map. So look at this map. So if we will talk about the Adriatic Sea and the Tyrrhenian Sea, then the answer becomes Italy. And Italy lies to the south of Europe, and this is Italy. And Italy on three sides are bordered with sea, that is, on one side it has the Adriatic Sea. Okay, look at this map, more zoomed out map. On one side it has the Adriatic Sea, then it has the Tyrrhenian Sea on its other side. See, you can say, see, this is Italy. The southern border is sharing with Ionian Sea. Adriatic Sea, you can say, is the eastern border. Tyrrhenian Sea, you can say, is the western border. And if we will talk about the northern border, then it is sharing its land border with France, Switzerland, Austria, Slovenia. So these are the countries with which it is sharing border. And then there are other islands also, that is Sardinia and Corsica. So Sardinia belongs to Italy and Corsica belongs to France. So the correct answer of this question becomes option A, that is Italy. Now coming to the next question. The reference talks about Israel attacks Gaza as Ramzan begins, killing 67 Palestinians. So the question comes, Golan Heights is related to which countries? Yemen and Somalia, Lebanon and Syria, Israel and Syria, or none of these? As Golan Heights remains very much in news. So look at this map. As we all know that the war is going on between the Hamas and the Israel, and the Ramzan has also begun. So look at this map. This is the Golan Heights, which is a disputed territory, and this is Golan Heights, and on one side of the Golan Heights, or you can say on the eastern side, lies Syria, while on the western side lies Israel. So it is a disputed territory between Israel and Syria. So the correct answer for this question becomes option C, that is Israel and Syria. Now coming to the next question, and this is a practice question, and like always, you people will have to tell me the answer in the comment section. Consider the following statements with reference to the Mediterranean Sea. So this is with regard to the Mediterranean Sea, and there are two options and you have to talk about the correct option. First, in the west it is connected to the Atlantic Ocean through the narrow Strait of Gibraltar, and then second option, in the far northeast it is connected to the Black Sea through the Strait of Dardanelles, the Sea of Marmara and the Bosphorus Strait. So there are many facts involved in this question. First of all, Mediterranean Sea, then the Strait of Gibraltar, then Strait of Dardanelles, Sea of Marmara, Bosphorus Strait, and you have to talk about the correct options, and the codes are only 1, only 2, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2. So as I always say, you people will go see the atlas, look at the map of the Mediterranean Sea, what all are the bordering countries of the Mediterranean Sea and what all are the water masses which connects to the Mediterranean Sea, because many countries shares its border with the Mediterranean Sea. And after looking into all these things, you will find out the answer and will give me in the comment section. So give me the answer in the comment section. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time. Keep reading, keep writing and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.